Hey, this is Chrissy with Loopsy Daisy Crafts and Designs, and today I'm going to show you how I embroider the sleepy eyes on my Animal Huggies. You will need some black worsted weight yarn or embroidery thread, a needle, some pins, and some scissors. For this example, I'll be using the Fox Huggie and Wolf Huggie. I placed my pins over round 11. To begin, insert your needle through the head away from the eye, and bring the needle up through pin A. Then you're going to take your needle through pin B and come out through pin C. You should have a line going straight across now. You're going to put your needle underneath that line that we just created and bring the yarn all the way through. Bring the needle over the front of the yarn and back down through pin C. Then you're going to bring the needle up through pin D for the first eyelash. Tighten it a little bit if you need to. And insert the needle back into pin A. You're going to come out at pin E. And then you're going to go back through pin A and come out on the other side to start the other eye. The first eye is finished, and now we'll go ahead and start on the second eye, repeating all of the same steps. Place your needle down through pin G and come out at pin H. Then you'll take your needle under the yarn of the line that we just created, pull up and go over that yarn and go back down through pin H. You'll come out through pin I for the first eyelash. Go back into pin G and come out pin J. Get all the stuffing out of there if there any that comes out. And go back in through pin G and come out where you initially started your yarn on the side of the head. And your second eye is complete. I usually tie the ends together about 3 times just to make sure it's good and secure. And then just hide it through the head. And that's it. The sleepy eyes are all finished. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.